Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to release a sea lantern in Heartopia. First, just go to the sea lantern event spot at the Amethyst beach like this. The exact location is right here. And once you arrive, you will see the special area where players can release their lanterns like that. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful place like this. And then before you can release one, make sure you already have sea lanterns. If you don't have one yet, you can buy it from the lantern store in the sea lantern sentiments menu like this one. And after that, just simply walk to the sea lanterns like this, and then just tap on which lanterns that you want to release. You can pick the regular sea lanterns on here, and then just pick the lantern that you have, and then just tap on the release into the sea like this. Like this, or you can also release the Lotus lanterns, this one, by tap on the Lotus icon like this, and then just write a blessing on here, and then after that just tap on release into the sea again. And okay, once you release it, watch your lantern float beautifully across the water. It looks so magical, especially at night. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.